हेलो गाइज, वेरी गुड आफ्टरनून बच्चों। बच्चों बताओ, इज माय वॉइस इज क्लियर? Okay, definitely. I love to speak in English. All right, beta. So no worry. You want me to completely? You want me to speak in completely, right? Okay. So see, we are discussing about issue of shares related to accounting for issue of shares. Let the other guys join. Once they join, we'll start the session now. Okay. Ajay, tell me about yourself. From which part of the country you are? I mean, are you from CA Foundation student or CA Intermediate? And tell me, is my voice is clear first of all? CMA enter from Tamil Nadu. Okay. Tamil. Okay. Even I'm from South India, bada. Even I'm from South India. You know. Okay, you are plus teacher there. Hi Sanjana. So you're teaching in Unacademy what? Hi Mallikarjun. Okay. So see, this is all about the CA foundation level problems I'm going to solve. But since it is the second part, right? Total I have around 7 to 8 sessions on YouTube. So according to that, I'm solving the easy part of the questions which may be expected from CA and even for 12 CBCA, right? So that is how it's going to be. Can you see the question on the screen, guys? Tell me, and tell me is my voice is clear so that we can start the session, because already we have around 5-10 minutes is lost now. Okay, 1 second, I'll just open a Excel sheet. Excel sheet is not required. I'll open that MS Word, I guess it will be best. So tell me, in CBSE, which topic you're conducting? I mean, you're taking on which part of the CBSE? Which subject you're teaching there? So guys, question is on your screen now. We'll solve some 2 questions one by one. Even we are going to solve today under subscription, over subscription, excess application money refunded. This part also we are going to cover, and problems on issue shares, premium, and even we are going to teach the reissue of shares. All right, so let's start. I was expecting some more student to join. Let's see. Hi Mallikarjun, hi Ajay. Who else? Who else is going to join today? Bachcho, can we start now? Can we start now, guys? Tell me fast. If you give the yes, we'll start because 5 guys are joined as of now. Hey guys, welcome to Unacademy. This is all about the CA Foundation accounting for issue of shares. We are going to discuss in depth, in detail. Since I told you about the theoretical part in last 3 sessions, just go back to my profile and you can watch there. Even I have taken so many plus classes. Even we have conducted so many special classes there. All right. So now this is the problem part. We are going to solve only the problems today. All right. So here is the question on your screen. Just have a look. How many guys? Only 6. Okay. Let it be. Excellent Company Limited issued how many shares? But guys, 10,000 equity shares of 10 each. They issued 10,000 equity shares of 10 each. The amount was payable as follows. Alright, look at that. On application, there is 2, allotment 3, first and final call 5. Very simple. Question looks very simple, but the amount we received 12,000 equity shares means issued is 10,000. They have received around 12,000 shares. Means there is excess of 2,000. Right? This we have to refund it. The director refunded the excess money received on application, all the money daily received except in the first and final call on 1,000 shares. Means on the first and final call they are not receiving 1,000 shares. Alright, shares, all the money was received. The shares were held by Neeraj and his shares were forfeited, director of the company, and these shares were reissued. Again, what they're doing is that director is refunding them, reissuing it for 8. How much? 8. Okay, after this we'll solve the one more problem on under subscription, but now we are going to solve the first question, that is the normal question, which you need for the practice purpose. It's very important, guys. That is why. Rather, writing, I'll love to type here, because what happens is that it looks very presentation will be very good for useful. All right, ठीक है बच्चों. Okay, now everything is set now. So I was able to, now I can make it perfect. Okay, go. Okay guys, let's start the question. Tell me how many guys are online now? At least say hi, good afternoon. At least say something on your comment box. At least say, is my voice is clear, yes or no? Respond guys, respond fast. Hey, hi, Misbah, how are you, beta? Hi, Mallikarjun, Anand. Yes, my voice is clear now. So guys, let's start with the problem. Journal entry. We are going to solve journal entries. All right. So usually you know that, right? Journal entry for company accounts is first column is date, particulars, ledger folio, debit and credit. This is the standard format we use for solving the problem. So बच्चों देखिए यहाँ पर है आपके क्वेश्चन स्क्रीन पे. Let's start date, particulars, This is your debit side, and this is your credit side. Draw the columns. Start guys. Start the drawing the columns guys, because we are going to solve the problems today on issue of company shares, accounting for issue of company shares. Very interesting session is going to be, but only thing is that I need your involvement. If you have anything to know, let me know. Definitely raise your voice, ask your questions in the comment box, and first and foremost, please first like the video before starting the sessions. Let's like the video, and चलो बच्चों शुरू करते हैं. Okay, so the problem starts here. The problem starts here. Just have a look. Where is the problem? Okay, problem is here. You can see that. Just have a look. The company has issued how many shares? The company has issued how many shares? 10,000 shares. All right, company has issued 10,000 shares. Out of that, application received how much? How many applications they have received? They received 12,000 application. So whenever the company receive application money, what will be your journal entry? Tell me now. Bank account is debited to equity share application account. You know that, right? You need to remember this guys. This is the practice sessions. The more you practice, the more you perfect. Okay, being application money received on how many? They have received 12,000, not 10,000. They have received 12,000 application shares at the rate of, what is the application money? What is the application money? Tell me guys, application money is here. Application money is 2 per share. Okay, so they have received application on 2 per share for 12,000 shares. Means 12,000 at the rate of 2 each. How much is going to be? 12,000 multiplied by 2. How much it comes? 24,000. All right, students, it's 24,000. 24,000. Okay, second entry. Second entry, look at that. We have equity share application account is credited here. है ना बच्चों? Equity share application account is credited. Now we have to make a debit. So that means equity share application account is what? Is debited. Okay, how much amount? Yes guys, 24,000. But out of that how much is for equity share capital account? कितना जाएगा बच्चों equity share capital account को? Equity share capital account is how much? 20,000. Because they issued how much? They issued is 10,000 at the rate of 2. 10,000 at the rate of 2. So that means they are refunding also. That means, my dear students, they are refunding to bank account excess money. Excess money how much? 2,000, right? 2,000 at the rate of 2, because excess money that comes 4,000. Understood guys? Any doubts? Tell me. Any doubts you have? No doubt. So I'll write down the narration here. Being application money transfer to share capital and excess money is refunded. Tell me guys, if you have any doubt, let me know. बताओ बच्चों बताओ. Do you have any doubts? guys, I have made a compound entry for second one. So with this, first part is done. First part is done here, because just have a look here what this says. Application how much? 2. They have issued 10,000 shares, okay, but they have received 2,000 shares, 12,000. That means 2,000 excess money was there, right? That has been refunded. Excess application money is refunded. That is 2,000 at the rate of 2. That means 4,000 they have refunded, means they have received 24,000. Actual required is 20,000. All right. Okay. Next, allotment. Come back to the allotment. Allotment is how much here? 3. Allotment, on allotment how much they have? 3. Just have a look here, guys. On allotment they have 3. Can you see this? So they have 3. That means on 10,000 only we are going to take into account. बच्चों याद रखिए 10,000 शेयर्स पे उतना ही लेंगे हम लोग. Okay. So whenever the allotment money due, what is the entry? Equity share, allotment, account is debited to equity share capital account, being allotment money is due. Allotment money is due on how many shares? How many shares? 10,000 shares. Take only 10,000 shares at the rate of what is the allotment money? Allotment money is how much? 3. Allotment money is 3 we have. That means distribute उतना ही दे दीजिए at 3 each. That comes 30,000. 30,000. Understood, guys? Understood, बच्चों? Okay. Fourth entry, bank account, because allotment money is received, right? Bank account is debited to equity share allotment account. Allotment account, being allotment money is received. That's it. Understood, bachcho? So yes, guys, they are receiving full money, so no need to give any additional here. 30,000, 30,000. Understood, guys? Please tell me, respond me. Understood? Yes or no? Okay, so we have done with next part now. So guys, allotment is also done. Every stage we have 2 entries. Okay, next comes, let's have a look here. Next comes what? First and final call. Next is on the first and final call. So बच्चों देखिए यहाँ पर just have a look here. First and final call how much? 5 on 10,000 shares. So that means equity share first and final call account debited to equity share capital account, being first and final call money due on how many shares? On 10,000 shares. 10,000 shares at the rate of, what is the rate? At the rate of 5. That comes 50,000 and 50,000. Please note down. Is I'm fast here? Is everything is fine? Okay. Next entry is What is your next entry बच्चों next entry आपकी आएगी when the call money is received. Yes, my dear students, we have adjustment here. What is the adjustment? It says, just have a look. So out of this 10,000 shares, 1,000 share application money is not receivable. नहीं आ रहा है पैसा, because all money was received except first and final call money on 1,000 shares. That means they are not receiving 1,000 share money held by Neeraj. So guys, out of 10,000, 1,000 is not receivable. That means they are receiving only how much? 9,000. Okay, so according to that we are going to post the entry. So whenever the application money, whenever the call money is received, so bank account is always debited to equity share first and final call account. Being first and final call money is received on 10,000 minus 1,000 share, they are not receiving. How much is that? 9,000. All right, at the rate of 5 each. बताओ बच्चों कितना होगा? How much is that? 45,000. So next comes share forfeiture account. Forfeited entry, share forfeited entry, forfeited. Now tell me guys, how many shares on 1,000 shares? They are going to cancel the 1,000 shares because on payment of the final call money. That means your seventh entry is going to be very simple. It is share equity share capital account is debited. How many shares? 1,000 shares at the rate of 10 each. 1,000 shares at the rate of 10 each, because these many shares we are cancelling. 2 share forfeited account, the amount he has paid. 2 share first equity share first and final call account, the amount which he has not yet paid. Just have a look here. On 1,000 shares he has paid how much? He has paid on the application, he has paid on the allotment. That means how much he has paid guys? बताओ बच्चों, इसने 2 रुपए दिया है application पे. He has paid 2 on application, 3 on allotment. Means how much he has paid? 5 he has paid. 5 rupees he has paid. Means 5 he is not paid. So that means very simple it is. At 5 each, कितना होगा जी? Out of 10,000, 5,000 he has paid and 5,000 he has not paid. Being 1,000 shares are forfeited. 1,000 shares are forfeited. For what? For non-payment of first and final call money. For non-payment of first and final call money. बच्चों आप लोग है या नहीं है? Please respond. Understood? So next comes seventh entry is reissue. For how much they are reissuing? बताओ बच्चे बताओ कितने को reissue कर रहे हैं? They are reissuing at 8 each. They are reissuing at 8 each. They're issuing at 8 each, right? So on that ground, whenever the money is received, always bank account is debited here. Bank account is debited. Bank account is debited with what? Bank account is debited. Okay. I'll type it down. So for how much they're reissuing? They are reissuing at 8 each. So look at that. Share value was 10. They're reissuing it for 8. Means another 2 rupees they are adjusting from share forfeited account. Okay. So very simple hai. So they are reissuing 1000 shares at 8 each. 1000 shares at 8 each to share forfeited account. Debited. That is, tell me my dear students, कितना आएगा? 1000 at 2 because look at that, just have a look. The price of the share was 10. The price of the share was 10. They are reissuing for how much? 8. That means they are getting only 8,000 here. Required amount is 10,000. To share capital account. To equity share capital account. That comes 10,000. Being 1000 shares are reissued. 1000 shares are reissued at 8 each, and balance is adjusted from forfeited account. So guys, just have a look on the problem. Total balance in the forfeited was how much? 5,000. है ना? 5,000 was the balance. Because the previous owner who has applied this, he has paid this 5,000. How much we have utilized out of this? How much we have utilized? We have utilized 2,000 for second time reissue. What is the balance we have? What is the balance we have? Balance is 3,000. So in that case, share forfeited account is debited. Share forfeited account is debited to capital reserve account. कितना आएगा बच्चों? 3,000, right? It's 3,000. Balance in forfeited account is transferred to, this is a profit, right? Capital reserve account. Hope you understood. Understood guys? Yes or no? बताओ बताओ बच्चों. Okay, you have done it. चलिए अच्छी बात. Can we solve one more problem? बच्चों, can we solve one more problem? So next question is on your screen, that is under subscription. So look at that. Under subscription means when the company issued, when the subscription received less than that, when the company is received less than the share subscribed, in that case we are going to consider it. A company limited has registered capital of 5 lakh divided into equity shares of 10 each. Of this means, look at that, out of 5 lakh divided by 10 means how much they have? 50,000 shares they have. कितना है बच्चों? 50,000 shares we have. Out of this 50,000, they are issuing how much? They are issuing 40,000 shares were issued to the public. The amount was payable 2 on application, 5 on allotment, and first and final column 3. Okay. Out of this, all the shares were subscribed, and money was duly received, except the first and final call 2,000. First and final call 2,000. The shares were forfeited and reissued at 8 each. So now guys, we are going to calculate only for 4,000 shares. 4,000 shares. So guys, चलिए दोस्तों शुरू करते हैं. Let's start now. As usual, date, particulars, ledger folio, debit and credit. First column will be date, particulars, and this is your ledger folio, debit, and this is your credit. So you have to follow the pattern guys, we have to follow the pattern. अगर pattern आप सही ले रहे हैं, definitely you can do it. ठीक है? तो फर्स्ट एंट्री आएगी बच्चों आपके स्क्रीन पे है. फर्स्ट एंट्री आएगी, व्हाट इज योर फर्स्ट एंट्री? व्हेन द एप्लीकेशन मनी रिसीव्ड, बैंक अकाउंट इज डेबिटेड. ऑलराइट, बैंक अकाउंट इज डेबिटेड टू इक्विटी शेयर एप्लीकेशन अकाउंट, being what? Application money is received, right? Application money is received on how many shares? On, just have a look on the question. देखिए यहाँ पर they have issued how much? 40,000. 40,000 at the rate of 2 each. 40,000 है बच्चा. 40,000 at the rate of 2 each. 40,000 shares at the rate of 2. How much is going to be? 80,000 आएगा. Multiply कर लेना. Just multiply it. So on 40,000 shares at 2 each, that comes 80,000. So we have done with the first entry now. Second entry. So there is won't be any excess money. Application money जितना चाहिए तो उतना ही लिया है. It's a case of under subscription. In that case, we are going to take it. Equity share application account, all right, is debited. Equity share application account is debited to what? To equity share capital account. Because whatever the money you have received, that money is transferred, right? That money is transferred. So being application money is transferred to share capital. So guys, all the money 80,000, 80,000. Understood, my dear students? Hey Shika, good afternoon, beta. Understood? Okay, next comes share allotment. Just have a look here. Just have a look here. So out of this, I'm going to rub all this now. थोड़ा देखिए बच्चों यहाँ पर allotment 5 है. How much is that? Allotment is 5. So we'll solve the allotment entry now fast. Equity share allotment account is debited to what happened? Okay, to equity share capital account, being allotment money is what? Due here, right? Allotment money is due on how many shares? Yes, my dear students, on 40,000 shares at the rate of 5 each. कितना होगा बच्चों बताइए 40,000 at the rate of 5, that comes 2 lakh. Okay, तो next entry क्या होगी? What will be your next entry? Next entry, allotment money is transferred. Allotment is transferred to what? Where we are going to transfer? We are going to transfer the share capital. So equity share allotment account is debited. Hey my god, oh my god. 1 second. It's a bank account because we are receiving the allotment money, right? We are receiving the allotment money. Sorry for that, because allotment money due, now we are receiving the allotment money. Equity share allotment account is debited to equity share allotment account. Guys, look at that. There is simple pattern. Every account, whenever we are going to open, we have to close it. The amount should be transferred either to the capital account or bank account. That is how the system is going to work here. So being what? Allotment money is received, right मेरे बच्चों? सही बोला आपने? Received on all the money 40,000 at the rate of 5. Yes, you're right. The above money, because we don't have any adjustment on the allotment as of now. We don't have, but tomorrow's problem definitely we are going to have so many adjustments. Pro rata basis I will teach. I will be teaching tomorrow in classes. I'm going to teach you the pro rata basis. So this is done with the second part. So guys, problem always we are going to divide into 3 parts. First is on the application, second is on the allotment, third first and final call. Third is first and final call. So guys, you know that, right? Whenever the first and final call money due, what is the entry? Share first and final call account is debited to share capital account. And बच्चों, being first and final call money is due. Very good. On how many shares? 40,000 shares at what is the rate? बच्चों बताइए first and final call की rate क्या है? You can see that here it is 3 each, है ना जी? It's a 3 each. हाँ बेटा, at 3 each. What it says? Sir, first and final call debited to. Okay, very good, perfect. कितना आएगा? 4 3s are 12. 12 1,20,000. Understood, Ajay, Shikha, Alina, everybody, those who are present, tell me, understood? I think you know this. I know you can do this. Next आएगी बैंक अकाउंट, है ना? बैंक अकाउंट is debited. Okay, I'll take it down. Okay, यहाँ पे लिखते हैं. बैंक अकाउंट is debited to equity share. यही ऊपर का जो है ना कॉपी कर लीजिए, पेस्ट कर लेंगे हम लोग, ठीक है? सो बीइंग फर्स्ट एंड फाइनल कॉल मनी received on, just go back to the problem, just have a look on the problem now. Look at that, 2,000 share money is not receiving out of 40,000. 2,000 share is not receiving means 38,000 application money they are receiving. ठीक है बच्चों, तो उसके हिसाब से note down 40,000 minus 2,000, that comes 38,000 at the rate of 3 each. कितना होगा जी? बताओ, बताओ बच्चों, बताओ. 38,000 at the rate of 3 कितना आएगा बच्चों? 1,14,000. सेम 1,14,000. Okay, so this is the 6th entry and the last entry. Now we are going to solve on the problems on forfeited, share forfeited account, share forfeiture entry. Of how much? Share forfeiture entry for how much? 2,000 shares. ठीक है? So guys, this is the last entry. So whenever we are going to forfeit the entry, first what we are going to do is that we are going to take equity share capital account. Equity share capital account. Equity share capital account is debited. Okay, how many shares we are cancelling? We are going to cancel 2,000 shares at 10 each. कितना होगा? That is 20,000. ठीक है? That is 20,000. 2 share forfeited account. The amount he has paid to share first and final call account. Being how many shares, how much he has paid? He has not paid 3. He has not paid 3. That means 1,000 at the rate of 3. That means बच्चों कितना आएगा? 3,000 रुपये इसने नहीं दिया है. Not 3,000. It's a 6,000. One second. 2,000 shares है ना? ना 1 मिनट थे बेटा, 1 मिनट थे. He has not paid on 2,000 shares. तो कितना होगा? He has not paid 6,000. 6,000 नहीं दिया उसने, क्योंकि हम लोग कितने शेयर कैंसिल कर रहे हैं? We are cancelling 2,000 shares. है ना बच्चों? तो that means he has paid 14,000. Just have a look here. Forfeiture entry is for 2,000 shares. 2,000 multiplied by 3, 6,000, है ना? So being 2,000 shares are forfeited for non-payment of first and final call money. समझ में आया बच्चों, मेरे प्यारे बच्चों? अंडरस्टूड माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स? तो इसको बोलते हैं फॉरफीचर एंट्री. ये कितनी एंट्री होती है? 7th एंट्री ऑलवेज फॉरफीचर होगी, याद रखिए. 7th एंट्री. अगर रीइश्यू कर रहे हैं शेयर्स को, कितने को रीइश्यू कर रहे हैं देखिए यहाँ पर. स्टार लुक हियर, दे रीइश्यूइंग एट 8. मतलब 10 रुपए का शेयर था, उसको रीइश्यू कर रहे हैं 8, तो बचा कितना? 2. ये 2 रुपए जो है ना, दे आर गोइंग टू एडजस्ट इट फ्रॉम शेयर फॉरफीटेड अकाउंट. वेरी सिंपल. व्हेनेवर द एप्लीकेशन मनी और बैंक अकाउंट इज ऑलवेज डेबिटेड, व्हेनेवर द मनी इज रिसीव्ड, ऑलवेज वी आर गोइंग टू डू डेबिट द बैंक अकाउंट. बैंक अकाउंट इज डेबिटेड. How much, my dear students? It's 2,000 shares at 8. ठीक है. अब ये एक और अकाउंट हम लोग डेबिट करना पड़ेगा. शेयर फॉरफीटेड अकाउंट इज डेबिटेड. हाउ मच इज दैट? 2 रुपए हम लोग यहां पर एडजस्ट करेंगे, है ना बच्चा? To equity share capital account. कितना आएगा? 16,000. यहां पर आएगा 4,000. बच्चों ये आएगा कितना? 20,000. बच्चों लिख लो. Being 2,000 shares are reissued at 8 each, and balance is adjusted from forfeited account. समझ में आया बच्चों? अंडरस्टूड माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स? एंड द लास्ट एंट्री देखिए, वेरी सिंपल है. लास्ट एंट्री आपके देख सकते हैं यहां पर 14,000 है. हाँ बेटा दिखाता हूं. Got it? तो बच्चों यहां पर क्या है? दे आर रीइश्यूइंग द सेकेंड टाइम फॉर 8. तो पहले वाले ने he has paid 14,000. Is 14,000 out of this 14,000 they have utilized how much? They have utilized only 4,000. अब 14,000 was the first party he has given. Out of that we have utilized only how much? He has utilized how much? We have utilized that is 4,000. So what is the left? बचा कितना बच्चा? बताओ. Share forfeited account is debited here. बच्चा हुआ पूरा प्रॉफिट है ना, कैपिटल रिजर्व अकाउंट. कितना बच्चा? आउट ऑफ 14,000 4,000 यूटिलाइज, तो ये आएगा कैपिटल रिजर्व में 10,000. Being balance in forfeited account is transferred to capital reserve. करेक्ट, अंडरस्टूड माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, समझ में आ गया जी। तो वी हैव डन द टू प्रॉब्लम्स। फ्रॉम टुमारो वी विल सॉल्व सम टफर प्रॉब्लम, आई मीन एडजस्टमेंट ऑफ दी ये वाला करेंगे कल से, ठीक है। 1 घंटे में 2 ही प्रॉब्लम सकते हैं। वी विल सॉल्व दिस नाउ, एडजस्टमेंट ऑफ एक्सेस एप्लीकेशन मनी टू द रिफंड एंड एडजस्टमेंट टुवर्ड्स द अलॉटमेंट, ये करेंगे कल से, ठीक है। ये होने के बाद प्रीमियम पे आएगा, प्रीमियम विल सॉल्व। इसके बाद में प्रो रेटा बेसिस अलॉटमेंट करेंगे। टोटल 7 क्लासेस है मेरे, टोटल आई हैव 7 क्लासेस, बट होपफुली सफिशिएंट होगा आपके लिए। ये सभी प्रॉब्लम करना है बच्चों। आई गिव द होमवर्क आल्सो, सो प्लीज जॉइन अस, ऑलराइट, एंड लर्न एवरीथिंग इन अकाउंटेंसी कंप्लीट। इशू ऑफ कंपनी शेयर्स का जो भी आपके क्वेश्चन है प्लीज लेट मी नो, डेफिनेटली आई विल जस्ट डेफिनेटली आई एम गोइंग टू सॉल्व इट। जो भी आपके पास क्वेश्चन है रिलेटेड टू इशू ऑफ कंपनी शेयर्स, ठीक है बच्चों। विथ दिस आई जस्ट वांट टू एंड दिस सेशन हियर। और कोई डाउट है तो पूछिए, डू यू हैव एनी डाउट्स प्लीज बताइए। और एक बात देखिए बच्चों, यहां पर ये नहीं है, 1 सेकेंड, ऐसे ही बहुत सारे सेशन हम लोग प्लस क्लास में लेते हैं। वी टेक सो मेनी सेशंस ऑन द प्लस क्लासेस। तो अब यहाँ पर आपको करना क्या है, वॉट यू हैव टू डू इज दैट इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड टू लर्न कंप्लीट, अच्छे से सीखना है, तो बच्चों बेस्ट ऑप्शन है ज्वाइन द प्लस क्लासेस। अनअकैडमी के प्लस क्लासेस को आ जाइए। वहां पर जो है ना, वी आर गोइंग टू कवर एवरीथिंग, वी आर गोइंग टू कवर एवरीथिंग। तो आपको करना है सिंपल, यू हैव टू टेक अ सब्सक्रिप्शन एंड ज्वाइन द प्लस क्लासेस। डिटेल में सिखाएंगे, कंप्लीट कॉन्सेप्चुअल क्लैरिटी के साथ में सिखाएंगे, एवरीथिंग विल बी डिटेल, आपके जरूरत के हिसाब से सिखाएंगे। हाँ जी, उसके साथ में बच्चों आपको देख पा रहे हैं, यू कैन सी द कोड हियर, राइट, RIO20, RIO20। इफ यू यूटिलाइज दिस कोड डेफिनेटली 10% का आपको डिस्काउंट मिल जाएगा, यू विल बी गेटिंग डिस्काउंट। तो प्लस क्लास के खासियत या बेनिफिट आपको बोल सकता हूं मैं यहाँ पर। देखिए ऐसे तो क्वेश्चन बहुत सारे, ये तो इजी क्वेश्चन है, टफ से टफ क्वेश्चन भी हम लोग सॉल्व करेंगे एग्जाम में। एक है प्रो डेटा बेसिस पे आएगा, जितने भी क्वेश्चंस हैं जो आपके सीए फाउंडेशन में आने वाले हैं, सीए इंटर में आने वाले हैं, कंप्लीट डिटेल में सिखाने वाले हैं। और फीस इज वे टू लेस, बहुत ही कम है, अराउंड इट्स गोइंग टू कॉस्ट यू आई गेस 55 रुपीज पर डे। अगर आपको 1 ईयर का जाते हैं तो 39 रुपीज को जाएगा। So don't wait, utilize the code and join the plus subscription utilizing this code RIO20 and definitely मजा आएगा बच्चों सीखने के लिए, ठीक है। अगर आप ऑलरेडी ले चुके हैं कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। इफ यू हैव नॉट टेकन, यूटिलाइज दिस कोड RIO20 and join the plus classes, learn everything in detail with conceptual clarity, ठीक है बच्चों। Okay, with this I just want to end here. I want to end session. So कोई डाउट नहीं है तो ठीक है, मैं भी खत्म कर लेता हूँ। Bye bye guys, take care, have a nice day. हाँ जी, भूलिएगा मत, RIO20 is the